if CNN and NBC and Fox aren't covering when settlers raid Palestinians' homes, or when their homes are being demolished, or cemeteries are being constructed over, or phosphorus is being dropped, or when hospitals are running out of gas, like if none of that's being covered on mainstream Western media, and all you're seeing is, Israelis with a few scratches and bumps, meanwhile they can go down into their bunkers that have power and water and electricity and the basic things you need to sustain human life, but they deprive Palestinians of clean water. They have children who are being operated on without anesthesia. They bomb hospitals multiple times to inflict as many casualties as possible, and yet when Palestinians resist, they're wrong. The narrative is very swayed in favor of the Israeli state. Another point that I made previously in another video, when we're talking about civilian deaths, people who are killed, who are collateral damage, America has a very cavalier, casual, flippant attitude about civilian deaths, which is why most of the world hates us. We invade and steal their resources and leave a wake of corpses in our wake of civilians. And Hamas is being accused of raping babies and beheading people and barbecuing them. All the while, statistically, American police are a more deadly force than Hamas. Statistically speaking, American police have killed more civilians than Hamas. So think very carefully when you ask me to condemn them as a terrorist organization and what it says about American police. American police alone, that we know of, kill about 1,000 to 2,000 people per year, not taking into account people who are wrongly convicted and sentenced to death or die in the U.S. prison system. But compared to Hamas, they have killed fewer civilians. So